Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a commercial printing business and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple website on the Marty Sites platform for your commercial printing business. If you aren't familiar with Marty Sites yet, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top, search for my market, commercial printer. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Stats a few basic details about our commercial printing business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region over here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change this to service. Click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds with the information I've just provided. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you'd like to make your website a little bit more personalized, change some of that content, maybe upload one or two of your own photos. It's super simple to do. You don't need to know any coding, website coding, or be a web professional of any sort. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here so my customers can easily reach out to me. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Awesome. Phone number I'm going to pop in over here, and that is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. Great thing about that address, when your website is live, your customers can actually click on the address, be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links. You can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons for your social profiles will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo, you can browse your device and upload it into the next section. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on this pencil directly over it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters, frames, minor edits. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. If you'd like to change the colors on your Marty Sites website, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed. So many color palettes to choose from. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You also now have the option to actually connect your Instagram account with a click of a button to your Marty Sites website. You can directly pull in all the images from your Instagram profile, so you don't have to individually upload all of them. It saves a lot of time and it's a lot easier to make your websites a little bit more personalized by pulling in those Instagram images by a click of a button. Under update action is where you can change all the buttons on your profile. You can link them to various places by clicking on choose link, including uploading a PDF file. Under update content is where you can work your magic and come up with some wonderful content for your business, share your story with your customers, and make a little few changes to that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline. You're free to keep it as well, as we've created it to make making a website as easy as possible. We just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your printer business. So we pre-wrote the content for you. And the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you via lead generation form. Once they've submitted their message and their details, you will get notified via your registered email that you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can click on Connect Your Domain to set it up. Otherwise, if you don't have a domain just yet and you want your website to look even more professional, trustworthy, click on the green button to purchase a custom domain. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your commercial printing business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.